Hello everyone, this is B for Try Me Once Reviews, and today we are looking at Halo 11 watt LED desk lamp from Trond. So this is the package in which it comes. In the package you get the manual guide, the power adapter, one card from eTron, and the LED lamp, which is packaged in a styrofoam packing and very securely packaged. So we are going to test this. So starting from the bottom, I can see rubberized legs for very nice grip. The whole base is it's not heavy and it's a matte finish. I could see 4 controls here. This is power control, then this is I think the lighting and then this is for increasing and decreasing the intensity of the light. Even the goose neck has the matte finish, and even the back of the lamp, if you turn it aside, this is how it looks. I could see some screws here, and then this whole white plate which is gonna lit up. So no installation required whatsoever. You just plug it in. So I've just plugged in the power connector. What you do, yes, very important, if you look at the back of it, so this is the DC 12 watt input with the adapter which comes in. But here is the interesting thing, they have a USB output. So I've never seen a LED lamp with a USB output. So technically they are saying if you are consuming an outlet, you could charge your device using this desk lamp. How cool is that? So all you do is you just plug it in and you're ready to go. You could see this light blink on here, which tells you the power. It has the power on. So I'm going to turn it on right now, and let's see how does it behave. So this is the lamp right now, and let's look at its intensity. Another thing to notice, if you could see, this is one LED blinking here, which tells you its intensity is 1 right now. So I'm going to increase the intensity 2. This is touch control 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 intensity which you can choose from. The other cool thing about it, this is right now it's giving you this white light. Let me change the light. So it's the warmer light, and then a middle one. So it has white, blue, and warm light. I'm going to turn off the light I have and to see exact effect of the light. So now it's just this light right now, full intensity warm light right now. This is the white one, and this is the blue shade. So it's very soothing to eyes, goose neck, good enough light for reading purposes or you're working. The neck is flexible enough, you could turn it any side, and every kind of light, whatever suits your eyes more, you could use that kind of control. You could dim the light, then change shades, increase the intensity, then change shades, and turn it off, turn it on. It has an inbuilt timer of 30 minutes as well. I need to go through the manual to understand it, but all in all, one of the coolest headlamp I've seen till date, and I can recommend it. This was B for Try Me Once Reviews. Thank you.